We are back, boys and girls, to finish our questions, our discussion questions about our story today, Cakes and Grapes. We were on number 4. Look at Jade's and Scott's clothes and shoes. What type of weather do you think they have? That's a great question. Let's go back and let's go into our illustration to think about maybe the possible weather. What type of weather do you think they have? Okay, so let's talk about the clothes that they have on. Short sleeve shirts, no jackets or heavy coats. Jade does have on a type of pants, but they're rolled up and they both have on tennis shoes. So I definitely don't think they have very cold weather. It looks like maybe a nice, warm, sunny, and pleasant day. Not too hot, not too cold, but a nice, warm, and beautiful day to play outside. Sort of like the days we've been having for spring. I wonder if it might be springtime in this story. Yeah, I think if it was summer, they'd have one like maybe some sleeveless, maybe both shorts, maybe flip-flops. I don't see any raincoats or rain boots, so I don't think it's rainy. I do think it's a nice, warm, sunny day. And you can talk to your mom and dad about what you see in the picture that makes you think about what type of weather they might be having. Let's go to number 5. How are the grapes and cakes alike? How are they different? How are the grapes and cakes alike? I'll give you some think time on that. And there's really not a right or wrong answer. It's what you think. How are they alike? How are they different? Okay, so Miss Nakian thinks they're alike because, of course, they're both food, and they both were brought over as a sign, as a gift of being a good friend, of being thoughtful, right? Scott brought Jade her food, her cake, and then Jade brought Scott his food, the grapes. So they were the foods, the cakes and the grapes were both brought over. Yes, in the meaning of being a good friend. So that's how they're alike. How are they different? Ooh, well, one is a dessert. That maybe they're different because of the types of food they are. One's a dessert and one is a type of fruit. Right, cake is a dessert, but grapes are a fruit. Now for the last part, Miss Nakian wants to know, what do you wonder? As you read this story and came to the very end, or as you were reading it, did you have a question that you wondered as you were reading? And again, there's no right or wrong answer. It's just what you wonder. Miss Nakian has a question. I wonder if they had anything to drink. Yes, or did they drink the same thing? Because I drink milk with my cake, but I probably would not drink milk with grapes. I would probably drink water with grapes. So I wonder what they had to drink and if the drinks were the same. I am so happy that you were able to read a story with Miss Nakian today and learn a brand new sound. We will be back for reading tomorrow. We're going to be reading our story again and answering our questions and practicing our new A sound. I hope you have a great day, and I'll be with you again tomorrow. Goodbye.